Welcome to Luxury Car TV, your destination for classic elegance, powerful machines, and timeless automotive craftsmanship from around the world. The 1935 Ford Street Rod is a standout representation of vintage style blended with modern performance. Originally introduced during the pre-war era, the 1935 Ford was known for its streamlined bodywork and distinctive front grille. In its street rod form, it transforms from a classic cruiser into a powerful hot rod, perfect for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, most 1935 Ford Street Rods have been updated with modern powertrains. A common engine swap includes the small block V8, often from Chevrolet, ranging from 350 to 383 cubic inches. These engines deliver anywhere from 300 to over 400 horsepower, offering strong acceleration and impressive torque. The original flathead V8 of the era has been replaced in most custom builds to ensure higher performance, better reliability, and ease of maintenance. Accompanied by a 3-speed or 4-speed automatic transmission, these cars are built to cruise effortlessly while still having the muscle to perform. The suspension systems are another area where modern technology replaces original components. Most 1935 Ford Street Rods feature an upgraded independent front suspension, often Mustang II style, and a 4-link rear suspension setup. This ensures a smoother, more controlled ride, especially at higher speeds or when cornering. Disc brakes are typically added at all 4 corners, replacing the old drum systems, significantly improving stopping power and safety. Inside, the cabin of a 1935 Street Rod is where classic style meets modern comfort. While the dashboard and trim often retain a vintage look, most interiors are custom-built to include leather or suede upholstery, custom gauges, power windows, modern air conditioning, and premium sound systems. The seating is typically restructured to offer better support, and in many cases, the cabin is insulated for a quieter, more comfortable ride. The original bench seats are often replaced with individual bucket seats, and the steering wheel is updated with a tilt column for adjustability. The exterior design is what truly draws attention. The all-steel body of the original Ford remains intact in many builds, although some rods may use fiberglass replicas for easier customization and weight reduction. Signature design elements include the tall grille, rounded fenders, and a sloped rear end that gives it a sleek, flowing appearance. Custom paint jobs are a staple of street rod culture, ranging from classic blacks and silvers to vibrant candy colors and metallic finishes. Chrome accents, shaved door handles, and custom lighting are commonly added to enhance the visual impact. Wheel setups usually involve polished aluminum or chrome wheels with wider rear tires to improve traction and give the car a more aggressive stance. The lowered ride height, combined with the broader tire profile, gives the 1935 Ford Street Rod its unmistakable hot rod silhouette. Exhaust systems are often upgraded to performance headers and dual exhaust pipes, giving the car a throaty, powerful sound that announces its presence. One of the main attractions of a 1935 Ford Street Rod is its adaptability. Builders have the freedom to mix classic elements with modern touches, resulting in a wide variety of personalized builds. Some opt for a retro theme, keeping original design lines and traditional materials, while others go for a full pro touring look with high-end performance parts, digital dash displays, and racing suspension components. In terms of driving experience, a properly built 1935 Street Rod can be surprisingly smooth and comfortable for its age. With the addition of power steering, air conditioning, upgraded suspension, and sound deadening, these cars can handle daily driving or long road trips with ease. On the other hand, its power-to-weight ratio and raw torque make it a thrilling machine on the open road. It's not just about cruising slow for show, but also about experiencing the blend of raw mechanical power and handcrafted elegance. When it comes to value, the 1935 Ford Street Rod stands out in the world of custom cars. While the price of a build can vary widely based on parts, craftsmanship, and finish, these cars remain highly desirable in classic car auctions and hot rod events. They appeal to those who want something unique, timeless, and built with passion. This is a car that carries history, presence, and performance in one package. Whether you're admiring it at a car show or driving it through winding roads, the 1935 Ford Street Rod never fails to turn heads and spark conversations. It's a true example of how automotive legacy can evolve into a piece of rolling art. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more rare and powerful machines like this, don't forget to subscribe to Luxury Car TV.